Okay, we are now going up the stairs to the second apartment. We have stucco on the walls. We definitely have stucco on the walls. The stairs are going to need to be fixed, especially the top stairs. It does give in. Here's the first closet that you see. It's in pretty good shape. The floor's in decent shape. And we're going into the first room here. Taking a look at the door. As you go into the first room, it looks like that has to be replaced. Going to the left, this is the front room. And the windows are intact. More stucco. Hardwood floors. Some items that need to be removed from the building. Take a look into another room here. You can definitely see the stucco. The ceiling fixtures need to be done. Take a look at the floor. The floor could be sanded. And take a look at this. This is when we were first walking in, seeing that large piece of furniture there. And we're walking through. So this is a 2-unit building. Has great potential. Take a look at the bathroom. This is the bathroom, second bathroom. The floor, the piping has been taken out. The plumbing has to be redone. You can see holes in the wall, the floor. Both kitchens are going to have to be redone. And we take a look at the floor here, walking through the unit. And it looks like the kitchen will have to be redone on this one as well.